Student, now we will have the human digestive system. In very short, I am explaining this and listen my audio also after this. Explain very short. I am explaining this human alimentary canal in very short. Okay, listen properly. So first of all, the food materials has been taken from the mouth. This is the mouth. Okay, what is happening inside the mouth? The food can be crushed with the help of your teeth, isn't it? And after this, the inside the mouth, the crushed food material is called as a bolus. It's called as a bolus. bolus. Okay, this is called the bolus. Now, this bolus is mixed with one of the another enzyme which is secreted by the your salivary gland, that is called salivary amylase. Okay, salivary amylase is very important because of to digestion of your starch or the carbohydrates. Understand? Okay. Now after this, mixing with the salivary amylase, the food goes to the esophagus. This is called the esophagus. It's the esophagus is a pipe-like structures. It joins the mouth to the stomach. Okay, the food travels from the mouth, goes to the esophagus, and then goes to the stomach. Now, what happens in the stomach? It is a very important part over here. The food is mixed with the various digestive enzymes are secreted inside the stomach. First of all, we will talk about the HCl. HCl is also secreted by the stomach because whenever you take the food inside, the various harmful microorganisms are there. For killing them, it is very important to secrete there. After this, some mucus is also there. This mucus is also it is secreted by the lining of the stomach. Okay, so that whenever the HCl is secreted, it should be protected by the acidity and all that. One of the pepsin is also that can be secreted by the wall of the stomach. Here also it protects the harmful activity done by the HCl. If large amount of HCl is secreted, then it should be diluted by the pepsin and mucus. Now come to the food goes to, after this all is over, then food goes to the small intestine. After the stomach, it goes to the small intestine. Now small intestine, it is the very largest organ. It is nearly about 7.5 meter long. Okay, and all the nutrients whatever are present in the food material can be absorbed. Yeah, you know that you have learned in the 7th standard inside the in small intestine the villi are present. Villi absorb all the nutrients. Okay, now this absorption of nutrients can be taken place in the small intestine, and you say that here the digestion is completed. Okay, after this, then food goes to the large intestine. Now this large intestine, that means all the waste material. Now what is after the absorption of the food materials? Now it's the waste material is left. This waste material is collected inside the large intestine, and from the large intestine goes to the anus. Okay, and in this way the waste material can be thrown out. Now if you see the what is the function of liver here? Okay, what is the function of liver? Liver is a very important organ. It secretes the bile juice. Okay, bile salts. And what is this pancreas over here? Pancreas is also very important part. You see that pancreas is there. This pancreas secretes the pancreatic juices, insulin, enzyme. Okay, these are also the will be lesson under the we'll see under the next audio clip. You can have the better understand over there. Okay, so in this way we can describe the very small and very short human alimentary canal or human digestive system. Thank you. Students, now we will just see our next topic, a very small yellow block is given. This yellow block information is also very important. That is dental caries. Now, what is the dental caries? Dental caries are the tooth decays. Okay, जो भी दांतों की बीमारी होती है, दांतों में कैविटी होती है, that is called the tooth decays, causes the gradual softening of the enamel. Can you see this figure number 1? This is called the healthy tooth. This is called the tooth decay caries. सेकेंड वाला जो फिगर है हमारा tooth decay थोड़ा सी आ गई, यानी कि एनेमल में एकदम ऊपर लेयर में दिख रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द एनेमल वाला भाग आ गया, लेकिन उसके अंदर कोई बीमारी आ गई, दैट इज कैविटी डेवलप हो गई है, तो एनेमल. और देन थर्ड जो है इट इज डीप कैविटी कैरीज. यानी कि आपको अगर मैं यहाँ पे डायग्राम में की तरफ बताता हूँ, थोड़ा देखने की समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, अगर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल. तो दिस इज द एनामल, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द एनामल. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एनामल. अब ये दूसरा जो मिडिल पार्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड द डेंटाइन. ओके, अब ये जो ऊपर में जो दिख रहा है आपका लाल वाला, दिस इज कॉल्ड द पल्प. ओके, ये 3 कैटेगरी में टूथ डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. तो कैविटी कभी भी यहाँ पे अगर आ जाती है, एनिमल को डिस्क्राइब करते तो ठीक है, आपका छोटा सा ट्रीटमेंट होगा वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर कैविटीज इफ यू गोज टू द डेंटाइन पार्ट, इट इज वेरी अगेन सीवियर प्रॉब्लम कैन बी अराइज. एंड इफ द कैविटी रीच द पल्प, ओके, रीच टू द पल्प, it is more dangerous part. That means you can have a very treatment that is called the root canal treatment. Doctor recommends you to take the root canal treatment, isn't it? And it's very severe, painful treatment is there. But now some medicines can be given, okay, antibiotics can be given, and you cannot have anesthesia दिया जाता है ना. वहाँ पे आपके यहाँ पे the रूट्स ऑफ द लेवल पे एनेस्थीसिया दिया जाता ताकि आपको दर्द ना हो. दैट इज फॉर. एंड देन RCT ट्रीटमेंट कैन बी गिवन. अब एक क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि ये कैसे होता है ना, हाउ इट अराइज द डीके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, व्हेन यू ईट द शुगर मटेरियल्स और द शुगर स्वीट्स, आप मिठाई ज़्यादा खाते होगे या कोई नहीं भी खाता होगा, लेकिन जब कोई भी शुगर्स मटेरियल्स वहाँ पे डिपॉजिट होना चालू हो जाते हैं, तब क्या होता है, inside our mouth what is present, the bacteria are also present. Now what happens, this bacteria fed the fluid materials and release the acid. And what is happening, this acid is the main cause of developing your cavity. यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ पे जितना भी ये जो भाग था हमारा, ये वाला भाग, यहाँ पे कैविटी बनना चालू हो जाती है ना. एक कैविटी बनना नहीं चाहिए. अब एक दूसरी बात और आ जाती है कि जब आप यहाँ कैविटी बन चुकी है, ठीक है, आपने मीठा खाया, बैक्टीरिया डेवलप हो गया, एसिड डेवलप किया, एसिड से कैविटी डेवलप हो गई है, लेकिन अब यहाँ पे आप और दूसरा भी तो खाना खा रहे हो रोज, वो खाना यहाँ के फंस गया. ओके, एट दिस पोर्शन इट इज द कैविटी इज फील्ड बाय फूड मटेरियल्स. एंड what is happening, the more bacteria can develop over there and they release more acid and the cavity goes to your pulp, isn't it? तो इसलिए इसको, ये जो खाना फंस जाता है इसको बोलते हैं प्लाक. ठीक है, PLAQUE, प्लाक. ये प्लाक ही रिमूव होते रहना चाहिए हमारे दांतों से अगर कहीं है तो, बिकॉज ये जो प्लाक ही क्या करता है कैविटी का, इट टर्न्स टू द कैविटी, isn't it? तो ये प्लाक रिमूव होना चाहिए. क्यों, कैसे रिमूव होगा वो, ब्रशिंग योर टीथ, isn't it? 2 times the doctor recommends you to brushing your teeth after getting early in the morning and before going to the sleep you have to brush your teeth, isn't it? तो रात का जो समय मिल जाता है, अगर आपने रात को ये नहीं किया अच्छे से ब्रश, तो वो कैविटी डेवलप हो जाएगी, वहाँ पे प्लाक डेवलप हो जाएगा, फिर बैक्टीरिया, फिर ऐसे बहुत सारी उसमें कंटिन्यूएशन चलता रहता है. So this is called the dental caries and the doctor recommends you to brush your teeth. समझ गया? This is called the dental caries. Okay, thank you.
Students, if you have any doubts related to this topic, please do not hesitate to ask. Write your doubts in the comment box. I will answer your question. Thank you.